Court calls case People versus Chikira Pillar.
Bueller. Judge, I apologize. I missed the name.
Pillar.
Oh, thank you. In custody. I'm sorry, Judge.
Yeah. Okay. And where is she? Oh, there she is. All right.
There we go.
And the prosecutor is Mr. Williams.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Williams. All right, folks, you got to pay attention.
I'm ready, Judge. James Gallagher, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Chikira Pillar.
Bill Williams from Superior Township.
Good morning, sir. All right.
Morning, Your Honor.
What are we doing on this?
Yes, Your Honor. I met with Ms. Pillar yesterday, and Your Honor, she's going to plead guilty. I believe the offer is no operator's license on person.
Is that correct, Mr. Williams?
That is a correct statement, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Pillar, can you raise your right hand, please? The other right hand. Thank you. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of no valid operator's license on person. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $100 or $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yeah.
In understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yeah.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
Because of that, you're giving up certain rights. You're giving up your right to call witnesses to speak for you in court or to have this court compel their attendance. You're giving up your right to see, hear, and question all witnesses against you at trial. You're also giving up your right to be a witness for yourself or to remain silent, not have that silence used against you. And you're giving up your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand all of that, ma'am?
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
Ain't that in your computer? I don't know. You tell me.
Oh, really? Mr. Gallagher? Do you
Your Honor,
have, since your client is trying to be uncooperative, do you have any knowledge of your client being on probation or if she is on parole status?
I don't believe either one of those, Judge. She was sentenced by Your Honor in a different matter. She currently has an out date in May of 23.
Ma'am, has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you? You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will? And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
August 16, 2021, at the location of MacArthur Boulevard, Superior Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you get stopped by the police on that date, ma'am?
Yes.
Did they request a driver's license from you?
Yes.
Were you unable to give them a valid license?
Yes.
Golly, I don't think we would have made it through. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule and would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
People are satisfied, Your Honor.
Defense is satisfied, Judge.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Here we go. Is there anything, Mr. Gallagher, you, your client? She left.
Not quite done with Ms. Pillar.
She jetted out of here. She doesn't. She's done. I'm so sorry. I don't have anything to say about that.
Yeah, no, I got you. Okay. Well, I've taken her plea. I guess what we'll do is we'll I'm not gonna refer to probation. I will just set a sentencing date because she's gotta be here.
November 9th.
Well, she's not going anywhere anytime soon, right?
No, she's not.
Give me a December date. I don't need to deal with that. If you don't want to be here, I don't have to be either.
So that would be December 14th.
December 14th, 2022, 9 a.m. Then that way you can talk to her in between, Mr. Gallagher, and see if you can get her to sit still. All right. Thank you, sir.